That's right, folks. It's the Vagrant's Valet, and today we're out on the street. We're gonna help out wherever we can. Maybe we'll give some homeless folks a ride. Maybe we'll find some people that maybe their car's broken down. Heck, who knows? Living on the streets, you gotta practice what you preach. And you know what? Going up the hill here, I see two people. Looks like the dude's kind of hobbling along. You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull over and we are going to see if we can help out. Watch this. Hey there, my brother. You need a ride up the hill? I can give you a lift if you want.
Dude.
It's free. Hop on in.
Get in front. Get in front.
All right.
How you guys doing?
Hi, how are you?
I saw you limping there a little bit. I thought you might.
I sprained my ankle last week.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it's pretty few.
All right, we'll get you. I'm just heading that way, and I just thought I'd help out. I'm Zook.
I'm Scotty, dude. Man, I left you gave me a ride like a couple months ago, man. I left my phone in the store.
Oh yeah. I probably would have found it if I would have left it in here.
Enough leg room?
I got enough room.
All right.
You been doing okay, Scotty?
Yeah, I've been doing okay, man.
Yeah. All right, let me get these cars go by here. How about you? What's your name?
Angela.
Angela, you want a bottle of water, Angela?
Yeah, thanks.
There you go. This is riding in luxury, I tell you.
Thanks.
Riding in luxury, I tell you. What's been happening out on the streets?
Street things, I guess.
Well, a little better weather here for you, huh? Are you working on getting a place to stay, or what do you got going on?
Kind of lost my stuff. The situation I've been working on my resume.
Yeah, well, they can help you with the job search and everything.
Yeah, I gotta be a little bit more proactive. It's really on me. I ain't
You getting enough to eat and all that?
yeah, for the most part.
Yeah. How about you, Don?
Yeah, I'm surviving.
You got any family around? Or?
Yeah, I got my family. My mom's still alive. She lives out in Greene County.
Oh, Greene County. That's the land of milk and honey.
Yeah, she was living out in Fairfax. I grew up by the lake.
Oh, Fairfax? By the Fairfax Inn?
Yeah, my mom's 4 houses up from there. If you leave in the Fairfax Inn, she's the 4th driveway and her house is right in the back.
Yeah, go ahead, Scott. Yeah. I made this antique looking sign here. There. Yeah. What do you guys think?
Pretty cool. I can smell it.
Yeah, it's still got a little bit of the varnish on it.
Yeah, I was telling myself I lost my old man 2 years ago.
Oh no.
And that's what. And then but it's getting better.
Did he pass away?
Yeah, he had like an aneurysm.
Oh jeez.
It was yeah.
You have any kids or anything?
Yeah, I got 4. They're grown. I got 1 daughter and 3 boys.
Oh.
2 grandbabies. Yeah.
What? Do you talk to them a lot, or?
Yeah.
Now, what's this dude? What's this guy's or person's story? You know?
No, I've never seen that one. I've never seen it. You see a few people like that.
You want me to drop you guys off here at the park, or?
Yeah, the car was parked on fine.
Okay.
It's nice out.
Have you seen Gene around? You know Gene?
I've heard the name before, but I'm better with
Yeah, he carries the blanket around.
Yeah, I know Gene.
Is he okay?
Yeah, I seen him yesterday, matter of fact.
I've been looking around. I haven't seen him.
He stays between the library and the bus terminal.
Yeah, he's a really, really super nice guy.
Yeah, I know. I met him last year.
Yeah, I hope he's doing okay. Yeah. I think there was maybe something wrong with his foot, but...
Yeah, I seen him limping. Yeah, I could see. I give him cigarettes. That's how I first met him. Yeah.
Well, if you see him, Don, let him know that Zook was asking about him. And
all right.
Zook's
that is my name, Angela Dawn. You call me Dawn.
Angela Dawn, okay.
Yeah, you call me Dawn, but that's my middle name. Yeah, it's okay. Some people call me that. That's ironic. But yeah, I know Gene. He's a nice guy.
Yeah, by the pharmacy out here.
Okay. right, my friends. What are they building here?
Who knows?
That's obviously the old hospital.
Yeah, they tore it down.
What?
I think Centerstone bought it, I think.
Oh.
I'm not for sure, but that's what they say.
I think the old mayor had some grand plans that the Taj Mahal was going in there,
Yeah,
but
yeah. The
I
new
don't
mayor,
know.
we got a new mayor. She's a woman.
Yeah, Thomason is her
Yeah,
name.
that's
She
her
seems
name.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay, folks.
Thank you very much.
Hey,
Appreciate the run.
yeah, give me, flag me down if you see me, Scott.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Angela.
Nice to meet you,
You guys be good. Make sure you get your phone this time, buddy.
Ah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah. All right. You guys keep rocking. See you later. All right. Well, there we go. I think I kind of remember picking up Scotty. It's been a while there. And his friend, I believe her name was Angela. It sounds like Angela's got some kids. So maybe there's probably some kind of support network there. We certainly hope. And hey, this is the Vagrant's Valet back out on the streets. It is April. It is beautiful in southern Indiana. Ding, ding.